Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3-player on Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. First, ensure you have 3 controllers connected to your Nintendo Switch console. Once your controllers are ready, navigate to the main menu and select the Smash option. Then, choose Smash once more to enter the standard battle setup. This sets the stage for an exciting 3-player showdown with your friends. Next, it's time for character selection. Each of the 3 players will choose their fighter from the extensive roster. Take your time to pick your favorite or try someone new. After making your selection, confirm it by pressing the button. Once all 3 characters are locked in, you'll then proceed to select the perfect stage for your upcoming 3-player brawl. Before the action begins, you can customize the game rules to your liking. Adjust settings such as the time limit, the number of stocks, or any other special conditions for your match. It's crucial to ensure that all 3-player slots are active and assigned to a controller. Once everything is set up exactly how you want it, simply press Start to jump into your 3-player Super Smash Bros. Ultimate battle. Now that you're all set up, it's time to enjoy the chaos and fun of a 3-player Super Smash Bros. Ultimate match. Experiment with different character combinations and explore various stages to keep the gameplay fresh and exciting. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss. Have a fantastic time smashing with your 2 friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.